Why evolve to Ziptek bioresorbable engineered surgical tissue repair technology? 1. Increase the contact area of the repair with fewer anchors and kits. 2. In order to have greater compressive forces for tissue integration, while maintaining the repair position without strangling the tissue, increasing the strength of the repair and safety of the surgery. 3. Reduce bone perforations because a single ZipE kit with 2 buttons which holds tissue gently, yet firmly in 2 locations with 1 anchor. 4. The mechanics of suture loop technology and its inherent detrimental consequences on tissue healing is no different than suture loops of 2,000 years ago. 5. ZipE's bioresorbable technology allows the tendon to remodel naturally, because it gradually releases its hold on the healing tissue. 6. Works applied in open surgery or arthroscopically quickly, with no tissue bridges and suture tangles. 7. The technology is FDA cleared for 24 indications for use throughout the body. 8. The ZipE eliminates the risks of suture entanglement with graft placement. The ZipE technology allows to transport the graft in a guided way to the tendon. 9. ZipE buttons are compatible with virtually every eyelet type anchor on the market, increasing the contact area with your favorite anchor. 10. Surgery time is reduced by up to 50%. 11. It has a competitive price to alternatives in the market. 12. Helps avoid average 24% revision surgery, and in initial cohort 99.8% healing with no revision surgery. 13. ZipE is the only proven and patented technology globally using locking bioresorbable buttons. 14. ZipE accelerates return to function, decreasing recovery times by 40% or more. 15. The ZipE is safe and also acts as a fuse to protect tissue against new trauma as opposed to suture loops, which create bigger tears.